Chase Sapphire Preferred versus Capital One Venture 2025. Which travel card is better? Choosing the right travel card can maximize rewards and save money, but which is better in 2025, Chase Sapphire Preferred or Capital One Venture? Chase Sapphire Preferred offers X points on travel and dining, plus a 60, 0-point sign-up bonus. Most people get this wrong, they focus only on points, but Chase also provides trip cancellation insurance, primary rental car coverage and no foreign transaction fees. You won't believe what happens next. Points can be transferred to airline and hotel partners for even more value. Capital One Venture offers X miles on all purchases, making it simpler for users who don't want to track bonus categories. Miles can be redeemed to cover travel expenses or transferred to travel partners. Its standout feature is flexibility. You can use miles to erase any travel charge on your statement. Annual fees differ. Chase Sapphire Preferred is, Capital One Venture is as well, but both offer perks that offset the cost if used correctly. So, which is better? If you value premium travel benefits and transfer partners, Chase Sapphire Preferred wins. If you prefer simplicity and flexibility on every purchase, Capital One Venture shines. The surprising truth is that the best travel card isn't always about points, it's about how well it fits your spending habits, travel style, and how you maximize perks and protections.